and welcome to my channel. Today I will be building LEGO set 75335, the BD-1 droid from Star Wars video games Jedi Fallen Order and Jedi Survivor. This set's book is 140 pages, or you could follow them digitally through the LEGO Builder app. There are 286 steps with these instructions. The LEGO comes in 6 bags, which contains 1062 pieces. Bags 1 to 3 will construct the body, and bags 4 to 6 are there to construct the head and the small display. I'll be quiet now so you can watch the build. And here is the finished model. It stands at 31 centimeters or 12.5 inches tall, but that does not include the antenna. The BD-1 set is a great display piece. Not really used for too much interactive play, as I do believe that some of the LEGO on the legs probably would come off if you were too rough with him. This set is a great one-day build at just over 1,000 pieces, and really is a must-have for any Fallen Order fan. And here is how BD-1 looks next to his buddy R2-D2. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.